Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're going to be playing with a new eyeshadow palette that I got. When did I get this? It came in on Thursday and I think you all have seen this. This is the Glamlite Ice Cream Palette. Look at the packaging. This is the box that it came in. I mean, this is why I love indie makeup brands, because they pay attention to all the little details. And this palette is no exception. I think Glamlite did an outstanding job with just the whole experience that they're giving you with this ice cream palette. So let's open this little ice cream truck up and let's see what the palette's gonna look like. So when you open it up, the palette is in there and you can see the sprinkles. How cute is that? I mean, definitely something that you want to showcase in your bedroom, in your beauty room, wherever it is that you do your makeup. Keep this definitely on display and keep the box too. I mean, so cute. Let me go ahead and take this out so I can show you the actual palette. I also picked up a pair of eyelashes that came with the collection, and I want to say there were maybe like 2 pairs of eyelashes, but I ended up just getting 1. All right, so here's the palette. Pretty big size, nice size eyeshadow palette. And there are the gorgeous shades of this ice cream palette from Glamlite Cosmetics. You have some pastels over here at the bottom. You have some deeper tones up here, neutral tones as well. But this is a colorful makeup lover's dream come true. You guys know I love all eyeshadow colors. Like, there is not one particular eyeshadow color that I don't like. I'll wear just about anything. And I think for me, that is the fun or the challenge with makeup, is going outside your comfort zone and trying different colors and just seeing what works and what doesn't. I mean, this is your look. This is your face, your eyes, and experiment all you want. It's makeup. And at the end of the day, wash it off and start again. So I was so excited when I saw this on Instagram. I picked it up the moment it was released, and I cannot wait to swatch this for you guys. I'll do some outdoor swatches, which I always do. I always do my swatches in natural lighting. And then I'm going to be creating 2 looks for you guys using this little beauty. And then, of course, I will give you my final thoughts at the end. I want to real quick... where are my lashes? Where are the lashes? Okay, these are the lashes that I got. These are the ice cream lashes, and this one is sandwich lash. Whoa, look at those. Your eyes are definitely gonna pop when you wear these lashes. Of course, you want to make sure that you do trim them down, and of course you trim them down from the outer end before you do apply them, just because one lash does not fit all. You got to trim them and then tailor them to your eye shape and eye size and all that good stuff. So I'll be doing that a little bit later, but definitely going to be wearing these today when I create the 2 looks for you guys. Let me give you, before we begin, let me give you some quick specifics on this eyeshadow palette in case you are interested in picking it up. The products I use, of course, will be linked in the description box down below. Some of them might be affiliate links, so if you end up purchasing, I thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. So the Glamlite Cosmetics Ice Cream Palette retails for $45 on the Glamlite website. You do get 30 different shades as well. And the shadows that you're going to be getting, or the types of shadows you're going to get, are clearly mattes and shimmers. I don't see any pressed glitters, which I think is a good thing. I've been kind of steering away from pressed glitters just because they do get a little bit messy. Even though if it's a good formula, sometimes, you know, they just always fall down, and for me they get like in one of my pores and then I can never get it out. So I like that there's no pressed glitters in this one, but you have some really pretty shimmer shades in here. Don't know if any of them are duochrome. I haven't swatched it yet, so I'm going to be doing that after I do this tutorial and review. But yeah, these all look really nice, and I've used other Glamlite palettes. I have others in my stash top notch as far as blendability and pigmentation. I've just always had a wonderful experience with Glamlite cosmetics, so that is why I definitely wanted to pick this up and support the brand. Now, the lashes right here, these retail for $12 a piece, and of course you can find both items on the Glamlite Cosmetics website, and they are both in stock. So guys, let's get started with this 2-look tutorial using the brand new Glamlite Ice Cream palette. If you want to see the looks I create, keep on watching. Alright guys, so these were the two looks I created using the new Glamlite Ice Cream Palette as well as the Sandwich Lashes. What do you guys think of the two looks? What do you think? I decided to go for an all matte look on this eye, and then I kind of went like pumpkin fall vibes on this eye. And guys, just, I don't know if I've told you, I'm pretty sure I've told you this before, but whenever I sit down to film these eye looks, eye tutorials, and play around with an eyeshadow palette, I have no idea what type of look I'm gonna do, what colors I'm gonna use, until I just dip into the first color. Guys, I seriously don't plan this out. I don't say, oh, well, I want to create this look or I want to do this. It's just wherever my brushes take me, that's what I put on my eyes. So I don't pre-plan any of these, and everything is just at the moment. So these were the two looks I created. I rarely do an all matte eye, but for some reason, I'm just really feeling it right now. Like, I really wanted to try the mattes, the pastels. They were just really speaking to me, and I really just wanted to do something fun. Guys, I know this is more of like a summer, spring eye look, but I would wear this in the dead of winter. I don't reserve any one shade for any particular season, but I know some of you out there, you want to keep with fall, winter, and those maybe deeper or even slightly cooler, warmer tones, and I get it. That's why I created this eye for you. This eye was inspired by one of the shades in here. It was called Pumpkin. And actually, I was going to dip into the shade Peanut Butter first. Then I saw the shade Pumpkin, and I thought, you know what? Pumpkin spice season. Let me start with this one. And then the look just grew from here. I just had the word pumpkin in my head, and I thought, you know what? Let me make this kind of like an actual pumpkin. And wait, do pumpkins have green leaves? I think they do in their patch, right? But they don't have leaves when you go buy them at the store. But anyway, this is inspired by a pumpkin patch then, and the fall vibes and everything like that. Let me go into detail about the shadows. So first and foremost, vibrant colors, beautiful colors, pastel colors, warm tone colors. You have everything you need in here to create whatever look, whatever season it is, whatever mood you're in. I thought that all the mattes performed really well, really great pigmentation. What I was doing with the mattes was mainly kind of like packing them down and then slightly blending them as I would go. So for me, that works really well, especially if you want that, that shade to really pop. You want that matte shade to be the focal point. Just work on packing and then slightly blending the outer edges, and you'll definitely get the pigmentation that you want. Although these are highly pigmented, no fallout with the matte shades. Their shimmer shades all perform really well. There were some that are more of like a, kind of like that ColourPop Super Shock formula, like this one, where it's kind of like a cream to powder type. And I mean, all the shimmer shades, they just did so well. Look at that. Very, very pretty. You can go in with your finger, which I think I would recommend that for like that Super Shock formula. I know Super Shock is not Glamlite, but you know what I mean, that like creamy shimmer formula. Definitely use your finger for that. Or you can use like a small little brush like this, kind of like a concealer brush type, and slowly pat it in there. But those shimmer shades, when I was using the brush, maybe it was just the way I was applying them, those gave me a little bit of fallout, but really easy to wipe away, no big deal. Amazing payoff with the shimmers. They're absolutely gorgeous. They complement all of the matte shades in the palette really well. Slight kick up in the pan, but really not much. And I've told you guys this before, kick up in the pan doesn't bother me, but really if that bothers you, you're not gonna see it that bad in this palette. It's actually pretty decent. Overall, guys, you get a lot of shades to choose from. There are 30 shades in this gorgeous palette. You have a full-size mirror at the top. It folds over and the mirror folds completely to the back. And of course you have this too cute packaging. I mean, who doesn't like ice cream with sprinkles on it? Oh my goodness, all year round, I'll eat ice cream. It doesn't matter if it's spring or summer or even in the dead of winter, I still love to eat ice cream. And I thought the whole concept of the palette was super cute. And of course, it is that amazing Glamlite eyeshadow formula, blendable, pigmented, and just a lot of fun to work with. It's a whole experience that Glamlite gives you with their palettes. Now, for the lashes, these lashes are beautiful. Don't get me wrong. I mean, they look really, really nice, but these are a little big for me, for everyday wear. Although I think they look really nice with the two looks I created. They are easy to work with. They're easy to trim down. They feel comfortable. Although I will say this is the lash that gave me the most trouble, and it could just be the lash glue I was using because I did use 2 different lash glues. But yeah, I mean, I like the way they look. They look really nice. They really make the eyes pop. So even if you're going more for a subdued look with the colors that you're using, if you really want to intensify your look without adding too much color, put on some big eyelashes. That is definitely gonna be the focal point of your entire makeup look. I think these lashes are really great. They're great quality too. Lashes retail again for $12 and the palette retails for $45. They are both in stock right now on the Glamlite Cosmetics website. Love it, guys. There's also lipsticks available or lip glosses. There could be some lip liners, not too sure. I didn't pick up any of the lip products just because I ordered some of those Juvia's Place nude lipstick bundles, and those actually just arrived yesterday. So I'm not wearing it today though, but I will leave the other makeup products that I have on my face in the description box down below in case you guys are wondering. But overall, guys, I think Glamlite Cosmetics did an amazing job with this ice cream collection. Another winner in their book. I love it, guys, and if you're able to pick it up, I encourage you to do so. I don't think you will be disappointed at all. And once again, you are helping a small business when they need it so much right now. So guys, let me know your thoughts about Glamlite. Have you tried Glamlite before? Are you interested in the ice cream palette? Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.